How to find Home Depot promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Home Depot promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Home Depot. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Groupon. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. 35% off, 30% off, 5% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. Over here you'll find the code, you can copy it, then you can click on shop now. You will be directed to the official website of Home Depot. Then you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find this section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. For that, you'll get the discount. Also, you can try out other offers, as in this page you're going to find amazing offers and deals. Likewise, make sure to check out these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working promo code for Home Depot. Well, this way you can easily find Home Depot promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.